Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn UDP sweep scanner discovery in Metasploit. The UDP sweep module scans across a given range of a host to detect commonly available UDP services. Let's open up MSF console, type MSF console, load UDP sweep module in MSF console, type use auxiliary scanner discovery UDP_sweep, type info. Here you can see that UDP sweep module information, basic options as batch size, a number of hosts to probe in each set, are host the target address range or CIDR identifier, threads the number of concurrent threads, and so on. To configure this module, we just need to set our host and thread values and run it. Type set our host 192.168.1.124. Type set threads 255. Type run. Here you can see that sending 13 probes between 192.168.1.0 to 192.168.1.255 address. With minimal effort, we have once again identified a wide range of services running on many different platforms within our network. So that's it in this video on UDP sweep scanner discovery auxiliary module in Metasploit. Thank you for watching this video.